In 1975, the Khmer Rouge turned Cambodia into a nightmare, but the most horrifying part wasn't the executions, it was who was doing the killing. Children as young as 10 were handed farming tools and ordered to beat their own parents to death. The regime deliberately chose children because they were easier to control. They felt less guilt. They could be molded into perfect killers. Parents were forced to kneel and watch as their own children raised hammers above their heads. The children had been taught that killing their families would purify society. Anyone who wore glasses was marked for death. If you could read, you died. If you spoke another language, you were an enemy. Entire cities were emptied at gunpoint. 2 million people were marched into labor camps where starvation and execution awaited. Children were rewarded for reporting their parents for hiding food or questioning the regime. Survivors described the worst part. The children weren't crying as they killed. They were laughing, completely brainwashed, completely broken, turned into monsters by monsters. The killing fields still contain over 20,000 bodies.